Good evening. This is Jason Griswack, meteorologist at the National Weather Service in El Paso, with an updated weather briefing for the potential for severe weather Sunday and Monday, September 28th and 29th. Possible local impacts are mainly severe weather, particularly in the afternoon and early evening hours. Both Sunday, particularly west of the Continental Divide, and Monday east of the Continental Divide, with large hail and very strong winds the main threats. Locally heavy rainfall is also possible across southern New Mexico and West Texas, moving from west to east. Localized rainfall amounts may reach a half inch to 2 inches. Flash flooding is also a concern due to the recent heavy rain and the saturated soil conditions from the last couple of weeks. Emergency managers are strongly urged to monitor the latest statements and forecasts. Here we have the current weather pattern, which has brought significant severe weather to the Arizona area, with over 65-mile-per-hour winds recorded at the Phoenix airport. The upper low that's over the Sierras will be slowly moving eastward, as well as that moisture plume that you see over much of the Arizona area. Going to Sunday evening, you can see that moisture plume has moved into southwestern New Mexico, and that upper low has moved into southeastern Nevada. As this happens, we'll start to pick up some southwesterly flow aloft and have some wind shear available for severe weather to possibly develop, mainly, as I said earlier, west of the Continental Divide. As we go into Monday, you can see the upper lows continue to slowly move eastward, as well as that moisture plume now well over the El Paso forecast area of southwestern New Mexico and far west Texas. There will be plenty of shear, especially in the early to late afternoon hours across the areas east of the Continental Divide, and significant severe weather is possible as there's going to be plenty of moisture and instability in place across the region. The uncertainties is, will all the ingredients come together to produce thunderstorms that produce large hail and strong winds? The storm system is slightly delayed with each model run, so timing could be a factor if we don't get the lift coming through during the peak heating of the day. And will there be enough moisture for widespread thunderstorm activity, or is it just going to be isolated? Best chances look to be further north across Sierra, Grant, and Otero counties, but possibly reaching down into the El Paso area as well as Hudspeth counties. But the activity coverage will probably be a little less widespread. No watches and warnings at this time, but watch for Sunday, as I said, west of the Continental Divide, and Monday afternoon and evening east of the Continental Divide for possible severe thunderstorm warnings, flash flood warnings, flood advisories, possibly a severe thunderstorm watch, particularly on Monday. So in summary, expected impacts: hail and strong winds. Could see hail upwards of golf ball size and wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. Possible cancellation of outdoor events, and that would most likely be on Monday if there's anything occurring. And last impact, flooding in low-lying areas due to the saturated soils that we've recently experienced. Emergency managers, again, strongly urged to monitor for the latest statements and forecasts.